Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create an eBay shop. So before we start, I need to know that we cannot create a shop, eBay shop directly through the application. Instead, we need to use the browsing system. So open your browser and type ebay.com and then log in to your account. I have already did that. So after you have this homepage, you need to go to My eBay and then open account. And here, if you scroll down to the selling section, you will see subscriptions. I think we should press this blue button. Yes. So I think if I do that, I will see everything. Yes. Perfect. So here are the store plans. As you can see, we have some levels of the store. You need to choose the store level that fits your selling needs. So here are the plans. You can review some details, some benefits from those subscriptions. But if you are just starting to sell on eBay, I think the starters option might be the best choice. So after selecting your plan, your subscription, tap Continue and follow the on-screen steps to confirm your subscription. And once you are subscribed to the shop, you will get access to new store settings. Tap on Selling section from your main menu and then tap Manage Store button. Here you can set up your store name, pick up a name that's easy to remember for buyers and that clearly represents what you sell. Also upload a store logo and a banner to make your shop look more professional and more inviting. Also write a strong store description to tell buyers what kind of products they will find on your page and what makes your store special. And you can also set up store categories to organize your listings into clear sections. For example, I don't know, a new arrivals section or clearance, or by product types sections. And once you have set everything up, your eBay shop will be live and will be ready for customers to browse. And that's it. That's how you can create your eBay shop from your phone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.